So I've got a few machines here that need to be cleaned. And this one video, this clip anyways, will be shown before both of these videos for each of these mowers. So I'm gonna fix these both up. So this mower runs, not really the best. It needs a lot of work done to it. But this one, I think it might actually be in better condition. The gas tank on this one's all dirty inside, so we're gonna change out the gas tanks. Move the tank from this one to that one. And, well, I'm not sure what else it would need. I know it does need a new blade control cable. This one's still good, so we're gonna swap this one over onto this deck and mower. This is actually a pretty useful lawnmower. I like the decks on these. They were built pretty good. And, you know, they're really good for brush and stuff like that. So let's get started. So getting started on this machine, I've got that blade control. First thing, we'll take off this beauty cover. Nice and dirty inside. I think I'll fire up the pressure washer again and clean this off before I go any further. So here we are now. What I'm gonna do is start taking the outer air hat off. I don't think this machine even needs this manual cable to even run. So I might just take it off. Alright, so that's off. There's a 3/8 inch bolt at the bottom, and the 3 up here will remove the gas tank. So just based on how dirty everything is in here, I'm gonna pull off this carburetor too, and we're gonna have a good look at that. I'm gonna take the bowl off and just see how much debris is in there. And I'm only doing that because of how much stuff was inside of that gas tank. I'm not even gonna bother cleaning that gas tank out. There's just so much crap inside it, it's just not worth my time. So in the scrap heap it goes. Alright, so let's take this carburetor apart and see if there's anything wrong with it. Oh yeah. Here's a brand new Chinese made one, which of course they're all made in China now. These things are so cheap, it's way more cost effective just to replace the whole carburetor than it is to rebuild the old one. So we'll just replace this O-ring and go from there. So there's the O-ring. Just like that. Alright, so carburetor and the outside of the filter box are on. Let's see what we can do with this thing. So now, just got to see if this matches up. All right, so here we are. I've had to bypass the blade brake for the moment, just for testing. I don't have a new blade cable for this thing. I'm gonna have to pick one up. But let's prime it with some fuel and see what happens. Can't remember which side was which on here. Start it like that and see what happens. Well, judging by the amount of smoke that's been coming out of this, I'm not entirely sure that we don't have a problem with the rings inside of this motor. So I'm actually kind of interested to see just what the issue is here. But that might be it for a future video. Till next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for more.